Hey guys, I'm Matt. Today, this video, let me show you the MacBook Pro, the 14-inch 2021, and you can see the chip is M1 Pro, and the RAM is 16 gigabytes, and the storage is 512 gigabytes. And you can see this is battery information. The battery cycle count 112, and the battery capacity is 92%. And let me show you the graphics. Okay, you can see the graphics, the 14 cores, and let me show you the CPU. Okay, you can see the CPU 8 cores, 6 performance and 2 efficiency. Okay, and let me show you the display. Okay, you can see the gray color. Okay, no problem, no bright spots, no dark spots. You can see the screen, no problem, no problem. And let me show you the keyboard. You can see the keyboard, no problem, no scratches. This surface, no scratches here. Also, let me show you the logo surface. You can see the logo, no scratches. Okay, no problem. Here's a little scratch here. The back. Okay, here's a little scratch here, little scratch. Okay, let me show you the ports. Okay, little scratch here. The ports, no problem. This edge, little scratch you can see, and there's a little scratch here. The charging port, no problem. Okay, no dent here. And this is the 2021 14-inch 16 gigabyte 512 gigabyte the M1 Pro. And also this is the charging, and 64 watts. You can see USB-C power adapter, and this is the original adapter. This is the original cable. You can see this is the original cable. In this market, this price about 5,400. I don't know what is the price in your country. A lot of people ask me, want me send the laptop to their country, but the big problem is shipping cost is super expensive. The price is about 400 to 500 CNY. This laptop with accessories, 3 kilograms. That is super expensive. If you buy 5,000 a machine like this one, 5,000 machine, but you will pay 500 shipping cost. That is only the shipping cost. Some country you need to pay the custom duties and the tax. So I think maybe it's 800 or 1,000 CNY. So almost 20% up. So I think it's not worth it. So if you buy a lot, so I think it's worth it. But if you only buy one this machine, I think it's not worth it. Okay. But you can watch my video and share. I want to share more information. Maybe the information is informative for you. Okay. If you want to know more information, you can subscribe to my channel. I will share more information about the MacBook and iPhone. Okay. See you in the next video.